In this video we are going to learn how to upgrade the hard drive of a laptop. Firstly, locate the hard disk area of your laptop. You may find the icon, or any symbols of hard drive, on back side of your laptop, from where you can remove the hard disk. This is the hard disk area. Now open the screws using screwdriver, to remove the cover. In any case, you should not apply any force on laptop screws, or any part of your laptop. Remove the cover. This is the hard disk of your laptop, and it is the connection area of hard drive. Now open these screws. Keep these screws on a safe place. Give a little push from the connection side, to take out the hard disk. Now replace another hard drive. In other laptops, there can be different process, to upgrade the hard disk. For demonstration, here we are showing another example also. Open screws, to remove the cover. And open other screws wherever given, to remove the hard disk. Now you can pull your hard disk using strip, or give a little push, to take out your hard drive. Now open screws, to remove the supporting clips of hard disk. And fit these supporting clips to another hard disk that you are going to replace. Similarly, you can replace this hard drive to laptop, as you have removed the previous hard disk. We have upgraded hard drive successfully. Thanks for visiting.